fresh air. I find this a rarity now. Everyone's always stuck inside on social media. So annoying. Anyways, do you want a cigarette? Oh, no. I usually don't smoke. I'm just a social smoker. Okay. Suit yourself. I'm gonna get one. You know what? That is a good point. I do have the urge to pull out a cigarette every time I get lost, or a little bit nervous, or a little bit anxious. You see, I'm actually supposed to meet my friends. We came here to the club together at the XS Club, and now I have no idea. What am I gonna do at night? Who am I gonna be with? We'll see. So, what are you doing here, Paula, by yourself? Oh, you came with friends too? I see. How about we help each other look for said friends? Maybe one of us is lying. Here, if you see a bunch of young adults just wandering around and looking like they don't belong in a white t-shirt and black jeans, that's probably my friends. Oh, really? Here, let's go take a look. Alright, so let's check my pockets. Make sure I'm not missing anything. Okay, so we have a lighter, some gum. Gotta stay fresh and sexy. We got some cigarettes. Oh, you weren't supposed to see that one. No. In my defense, you never know when you're gonna get lucky, and you also never know what other people have, so you gotta stay safe. Here's the thing. That was supposed to be inside my wallet, and my wallet is nowhere to be found. And I'm supposed to have it. So maybe someone grabbed it at the club, swiped it away from me. I mean, there was a lot of grabbing at the club, if you know what I'm saying. Yes, so, okay, it seems like my friend has my wallet. Okay, phew, and that calms me down a lot better. Yeah, I don't know who has my wallet. Maybe they're stealing my money. I mean, if I had my wallet, I would have bought a round for everybody, so I guess it's better in my friend's hands. No. Well, maybe we can get you a drink, but anyways. Alright, so here's what happened. Alright, I gave my wallet to my friend, maybe, to protect me from my money that I didn't want to spend, allegedly. So what I'm trying to say is that I'm very good at planning. And thus, you can have complete trust in me. Hey, can you do me one last favor? Tell me if this is a smart decision or not, okay? I think we should go back in the club and meet your friends in there. And my friends as well. And maybe we can go to the back of the club, and I know a spot. I was nice to the bouncer. Maybe we can find a private area there, somewhere quiet for us to talk, with some nice music in the background. What do you say? Oh, really? That's so good. You made a fantastic choice, trust me. Let's go through the entrance of this fancier one. Oh, yes. It's for VIP club member holders only. That also means that they have any drink you want. So order to your heart's content. Did you get your drink order in? Good, good. They have the best drinks here, and they use very, very good clear ice cubes. And it's an sphere. That's the highlight of my drinks, to be honest. Every drink tastes the same, but the way they serve you and the shape of the ice cube really matters. Anyways, go ahead and follow me up the stairs and to the right. This is where my fancy ass booth is. And don't worry, if it's too loud, we can just draw the curtains. Now that we finally have our little alcove together, you wouldn't think I didn't notice? When we were out on the streets, I saw you eyeing me down. You had those eyes that really wanted me, that wanted us to be together and have a very intimate rest of the night together. So, how about this? For the rest of the night, you just follow what I say. No need to think, no need to ask. Just close your eyes and enjoy the moment. Baby, please, please, can you be more vocal about your current dissatisfaction? It really makes me excited to hear you. Yes, every time I do this, and every time I go in deeper, I want you to communicate with me exactly how good it feels. Don't worry, baby. There is absolutely nothing to worry about. After I'm finished with you, I will make sure there is no ingredients left inside you to make a baby. And if there is, I'm going to find something to feed you so that there won't be any. Well, if you really, really want one, maybe we can discuss it later. But for now, I don't think you deserve my baby yet. Well, if you don't continue doing as what I say, then there may be a spanking in the near future. I might have to just give you a good lesson. Because if you don't listen, then what's the point of this all? And it's gonna be harder next time too, so you better fucking listen. Oh, what? You're still here? Okay. I thought I kicked you out. Anyways, it was so good that I fell asleep. I swear, baby. Wait. Before you go, can you go ahead and like and subscribe this video? I really need it. Almost more than life itself. I mean, why else? I mean, I enjoy making this, but getting like and subscribes is also pretty cool. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.